Have you ever stopped to wonder why so many Americans stay stuck in credit card debt year after year? It's not because they're reckless or bad with money. The truth is ... It's a trap, and it's built right into the system. In this video, I'll show you how the trap works and why escaping it is way harder than you think. 1. The dream of freedom. Michael was sitting on his tiny apartment couch, staring at that shiny credit card in his hand. "This is it," he whispered. "My ticket to freedom. To finally live the life I've always dreamed of." Just out of college, landed a new job, and the world was his oyster. What could possibly go wrong? 2. The thrill of spending. He went on a little spending spree, new clothes, gadgets, dinners with friends. Every swipe felt like a win. "I'm adulting," he'd laugh. But behind that smile, his credit card balance was quietly creeping up. 3. Reality's first punch. Then the unexpected hit: car broke down, medical bills piled up, rent went up. Suddenly, Michael's paycheck wasn't stretching as far as it used to. He paid what he could. But the credit card company? They wanted more. Way more. 4. The debt trap closes in. One day, Michael got his monthly bill. His heart sank. Thousands owed. Minimum payment due. Interest was eating away like a hungry beast. He felt trapped, like quicksand pulling him deeper every month. 5. The lonely fight. Late nights were the worst. Alone, scrolling through bills, feeling overwhelmed. "Why did I let this happen?" he'd ask himself. The stress wasn't just about money. It was mental, emotional, crushing. 6. The turning point. Taking control. But then Michael made a choice. No more hiding. No more running. He started small, tracking expenses, cutting unnecessary costs, paying more than the minimum. It was tough. Really tough. But every payment felt like taking back a little bit of himself. 7. Freedom at last. Months went by. The numbers on his bill shrank. The anxiety eased. Michael felt lighter, freer, like a prisoner finally stepping outside after years. He smiled and said, "I'm not perfect, but I'm in control." And that feels amazing. Final message. If Michael's story sounds familiar, remember, it's never too late. Start small. Take control. Freedom is possible. Your credit card doesn't own you. You own your life. 8. The social pressure. Michael would scroll through Instagram. Friends on vacations, new cars, fancy dinners. He felt like he was falling behind. So he swiped his card again. Not because he needed anything, but because he didn't want to feel left out. 9. The rock bottom. Then came the worst day. His card got declined at a grocery store. Standing in line, people behind him watching. He smiled on the outside, but inside, he felt crushed. That night, he sat in the dark, silent, ashamed, calm. 10. Helping others like him. After getting back on his feet, Michael started sharing his journey online. Not to brag, but to help. "If someone like me can turn things around," he says, "so can you." Around, he says, "so can you." He became a quiet inspiration for others drowning in debt. Enjoyed it? Then go ahead. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.